May we receive insights and special knowledge and wisdom that guides us in our preparations by your Holy Spirit. May we receive your love and presence in our lives through your Holy Spirit.
The wing left Miami, and fast held towards California. Third Mall is rebuilt today, with the addition of Marine Aircraft Group 15, followed by MAG 36 with its helicopter squadron. Operation Air resolved in Iraq and Syria, and Operation Resolute Support in Afghanistan. Present day, Third Mall continues to lead Marine Corps. From Commandant of the Marine Corps. From Commandant of the Marine Corps to Major General James B. Wellens.
Something more than themselves, to stand in the gap, to defend our democracy and our values, and most importantly, Americans around the globe.
As I stand here today, it's been a short moment here, but I tell you what, in last year, the team has been able to do some amazing things. I could talk all day about the amazing things that Third Mall has done, and I won't, because I want to talk about the people. So I'm going to now bring it down. I'm going to thank the people that made this happen.
All the things that we measure to try to determine how we're doing, are we doing better than last year, you're pretty much hitting the peak on all of it. My best, my family's going to give it our best. I thank all of you for being here today.